The Samsung 43-inch class. The Sero LS05B series is a smart TV designed to bring a fresh perspective to home entertainment. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on your mobile device, this TV might catch your attention. With its rotating screen, this model redefines how you interact with your content, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. Whether you're scrolling through social media or catching up on your favorite shows, the Sero ensures that your content is displayed exactly the way it was meant to be seen. And it's not just about viewing convenience, it also packs some serious audio performance. With 60 watts of power from a 4.1 channel speaker system, this TV doesn't just deliver stunning visuals, but also an immersive audio experience. Plus, the matte display technology cuts down on reflections, ensuring your content remains vibrant, even in well-lit rooms. But does it really live up to the promise? Let's take a closer look. One of the standout features of the Sero is its ability to rotate from portrait to landscape mode. This makes it an ideal companion for mobile users who want to seamlessly transition from viewing apps in a vertical format to watching movies or TV shows in a traditional horizontal mode. It's a feature that has not only functional appeal, but also a lot of wow factor for anyone who enjoys sharing mobile content with others. That means you can easily share photos, videos, or social media posts directly on the screen, all without needing to flip your phone or squint at a tiny screen. This kind of versatility is becoming increasingly sought after, especially in a time when mobile-first content is dominating. Of course, the rotating mechanism feels smooth and durable, but I've found that when it comes to switching between orientations, the motorized system could be slightly quicker. It's functional, but not as fast as some users might expect for something billed as cutting edge. Another key feature worth noting is the matte display, which does a great job of minimizing reflections and glare, even in bright environments. This could be a game changer for people who want to place their TV near windows or in spots where lighting tends to wash out traditional glossy screens. The Sero's anti-reflection technology ensures that what you're watching looks great, no matter the lighting, with reduced distraction from light sources. It's especially noticeable when watching movies or shows with dark scenes, where glare usually becomes an issue. With the matte finish, colors remain true and the picture feels more consistent throughout the day. While the image quality is undoubtedly improved with the matte layer, some might find the lack of a true glossy display to be a slight trade-off when it comes to contrast and sharpness. Glossy screens tend to have a more vibrant look, especially in dimmer rooms. In terms of sound, the Sero is equipped with a 4.1-channel 60-watt speaker system, which offers a rich, full sound profile. The speakers are top-firing, meaning the sound projection comes from the top of the TV, resulting in a more immersive listening experience. When watching content, the audio fills the room without feeling flat or tinny. It also boasts better bass response than many other TVs in its category, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy a more cinematic experience right out of the box. However, there are still limitations. If you're used to the robust sound systems of high-end soundbars, you might find the built-in speakers lack the punch and depth of a dedicated audio setup. It's great for everyday use, but audiophiles or those seeking deeper bass and clarity may still want to invest in a separate sound system. Setting up the TV is fairly straightforward. Out of the box, the Sero is easy to assemble, and the rotating mechanism works without a hitch. The smart TV features are standard for Samsung, offering quick access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, and others. The integration with Alexa is a nice touch, allowing voice control for ease of use, whether you're adjusting the volume, switching inputs, or asking for weather updates. The interface is intuitive, and the remote control is responsive, with all the necessary buttons laid out in an ergonomic manner. However, one minor drawback I noticed is that the TV's smart features can be a bit sluggish at times, particularly when opening apps or navigating through menus. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's worth considering if you value lightning-fast navigation. When we talk about value for money, the Sero is certainly a unique product. You're paying for the rotating screen and the flexibility it provides. However, If you're looking purely at technical specifications, you might find other TVs with similar or even better picture quality for less money. For example, Samsung's QLED models offer excellent image clarity and contrast, but they lack the rotating screen feature. So the question is, does the added rotating screen and the ability to showcase mobile content justify the premium price tag? For some, absolutely. The ability to interact with your content in a way no other TV currently offers is a compelling reason to choose this model. For others, especially those who primarily use a TV for traditional viewing, the Sero might feel like an over-engineered solution. It all comes down to how much value you place on that rotating screen and the social media-centric design. When we compare the Sero to other TVs in the market, there's really nothing quite like it. Sure, you have other smart TVs offering similar features, but the rotating screen sets this one apart. In terms of pricing, you can find TVs with better overall performance or more premium specs, but none that specifically cater to mobile-first users. If you're considering other options like the Samsung QN90B or LG's OLED models, those offer superior picture quality, but at a higher price point and without the rotation feature. The Sero really caters to a niche audience, and if you're part of that audience, it stands as a great alternative to the more conventional TVs out there. The build quality of the Sero feels solid, with premium materials used throughout the construction. The rotating mechanism feels smooth and durable, and the overall aesthetic is modern, with clean lines that fit well into most spaces. The matte display adds to this sleek, contemporary look, making it a great centerpiece for your living room. As for longevity, while it's too early to provide long-term data on this specific model, Samsung's reputation for producing reliable TVs suggests that this one should stand the test of time, provided it's treated with care. Customer support from Samsung has generally been reliable, but again, this is something that may not be necessary unless there's a specific issue. Most users will likely not have to interact with support at all. But should you run into problems? Samsung's reputation for handling customer service inquiries quickly is a plus. Wrapping things up, the Samsung 43-inch, the Sero LS05B series offers a unique and versatile viewing experience with its rotating screen and solid overall performance. The anti-reflection technology, immersive sound system, and sleek design make it an attractive option, particularly for those who enjoy mobile-first content or social media enthusiasts. While it might not offer the absolute best picture quality for the price, the innovative features and the flexibility it provides in terms of viewing mode make it stand out. If you're someone who enjoys blending your digital life with your entertainment setup, the Sero could be exactly what you're looking for. If, however, you prefer a more traditional TV experience or prioritize superior picture quality, you might want to explore other models. But for its unique feature set, the Sero is definitely a TV that's hard to ignore. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about picking up the Samsung 43-inch The Sero, the link to the product can be found in the comments box below. Drop us a comment if you already own it, or if you have any questions, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay tuned and keep enjoying all things tech here on Reviews Inside TV.